Older dogs suffering from arthritis are getting a second lease on life thanks to a revolutionary new science. A stem cell treatment is producing amazing results and is much more affordable for pet owners.
Dr. Rob McMurray joins us from Iredell Companion Animal Hospital to tell us more about this cutting-edge procedure. Very exciting for dog owners.
It is. It really is. And we've been doing it for about a year. And we've treated 20 or so animals, and the improvement rate in it just blows me away. It's like 95% improvement.
Oh my word,
on
that's
the dogs.
remarkable.
Yeah, and it's been in America. The stem cell has been in America for over 5 years in animals. But when people say stem cell, they think, oh, you're on kill an embryo or something like that. Well, we don't. We use mesenchymal cells, which are taken from fat cells and blood cells, and we process it. There's about a 71-step program where we process to get the stem cells out. And this is the procedure where they're injecting the stem cells back into the animal, into the affected joints. Now, here we're taking the fat, or he is taking the fat out of this dog, and we get about 2 tablespoons of the fat, and then we take that fat and process it. That's the thing. We've put it through 71 steps. And then we get the stem cells in the bottom and take them out, treat them, activate them with the LED light. Now he's putting them back into the joint. Now this is a Rottweiler. They have a lot of hip problems. Right. And we've treated several of these Rottweilers. As a matter of fact, one of our Rottweilers couldn't walk when he came in. And then 3 days later, when they brought him back for us to recheck him, he ran in the office.
Holy cow, that's a miracle.
It is.
It really is.
It's really amazing.
That is amazing. We have some video that actually shows the difference it can make. Talk about this dog right here.
A dog before treatment. And he's old. He's got some hip dysplasia. He's got some arthritis in his hips and probably in his elbows too. And this film, it just shows him how hard it is to get up and down. Now this is after treatment. Look.
Oh, look at that.
And that's most of the time, that's a permanent improvement.
Representative of what happens.
I mean, that doesn't, most of the time, that does not wear off.
Oh, I guess.
Oh, isn't that great? Because arthritis, you know, it's common for a lot of older dogs and larger dogs, and it really hurts them. I mean, they're in a lot of pain.
Yes, it does. You were talking about your Jack Russell, and they have arthritis in the back, and it helps those too. But the main dogs we see are the big dogs. This is the ideal case that comes in. People come in and say, well, old Bozo here, you know, he's 12 years old, he's still got his body functions, he still eats, and he still loves the kids and everything, but he can't get up, and I'm just not ready to put him down. And so this is your ideal case. You say, well, let's try the stem cell on him, because once you get rid of the pain, the dog stands up and starts moving around. And also, eventually, the stem cells will start rebuilding the cartilage in the damaged joints. Now, that doesn't occur right away, but the anti-inflammatory effects occurs almost instantly.
Wow, that's remarkable.
How long does it take?
Well, we've had them improve in 3 days, and normally what we do is get them back after 2 weeks.
Wow, that's amazing.
We did a case last week that belonged to a lady in Huntersville, and I called her yesterday, and it was a heavy lab and with arthritis, and don't feed your labs too much because they get arthritis. And he was having trouble getting up and down. We treated him, called her yesterday, it's been about a week, said he's doing great. He has vastly improved.
Oh, we're so happy to hear that. It's cheaper than surgery, too. I mean, it really seems to be...
And that sounds amazing in itself, that you can do that and it's cheaper than surgery.
Right. Well, now I'm a surgeon, too, and I'm not saying that if a dog comes in with severe arthritis in the hip, that a hip replacement in a dog is not the ideal thing to do. But it's expensive, it's invasive, and about 20–25% of them have problems later on. Whereas the stem cell is less than half the cost of surgery, and I'm a surgeon, so if I do stem cell, my profit margins are less, but just to see these animals, the look on their face when they get up and they run out of there. You know, you send a dog home after surgery, he's not feeling too well.
He's not happy, but thank you so much. It's really great, Dr. Rob McMurray. We appreciate it. To learn more, go to Dr. McMurray's Facebook page. It's facebook.com/Iredell Companion Animal Hospital. Again, Iredell Companion Animal Hospital. You can go there to learn more. Thank you so much. We appreciate your time.
Thanks.